let's get into our elements of dance. So number one, as you already learned, it's a box step. So we use our left leg, we're going forward, right leg, we're going back, side, left leg going together, right leg back, left leg side, together. So this is the element number one, box step. Walk, 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 walk. So box step. Element number two is a rock step, rock step. So change your body weight on one leg and you take one leg back, you go rock, step. All you do is just rocking from back to front, back to front, rock, step, rock, step, rock, step. Now do exactly the same from the other leg. We're going rock, step, rock, step, rock, step, rock, step. And number three element, which is the most important, is a triple step. So you go triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step. So let's review all the most important three elements of dance. So number one is a box step. We go walk, side, together, walk, side, together. One more, walk, side, together, walk, side, together. Number two element is a rock step. We're going rock, step, rock, step, rock, step. And number three element is a triple step. Triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step. So three elements of dance. So if we combine these elements of dance with the walks, we can learn many, many dances. So what type of walks we have? We have only three type of walks. We can go forward, we can walk backward, and we can walk side to side, side to side, side to side, side to side, or side to side, side to side. So we have three elements of dance, and we have walks. And then we combine them to create dances. So let's review everything we know. So this is our building blocks of our dancing. So number one element of dance is a box step. So you go step, side, together, back, side, together, front, side, together, back, side, together. Number two elements of dance, rock step. We're doing rock, step, rock, step, rock, step. Number three element of dance, triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step. And now our magical walks. So we walk forward, we can walk backward, excellent. Now we can work side, and we can work other side. So all of this, let's say we have three elements of dance and three type of walks. So six points. You know, 6 points, we can do anything. So let's pick a dance. For example, we want to dance waltz. So what is waltz? Waltz is a box step. So we're doing box, step, together, box, step, together. But each dance has its own specific. So how are we going to do waltz? Like, for example, we will create a beautiful frame. So for the ladies, right arm up. For the guys, left arm up. And we're going to have 1, 2, 3 timing, very equal, a little bit rise and fall. And there's going to be waltz. 1, 2, 30, 1, 2, 30, 1, 2, 30, 1, 2, 3. So we're dancing waltz. Now, what else we can do using box step? American rumba. So we're going to have a little bit knee soft, beautiful body action, and we're going to change a little bit timing as well, because each dance has its own specific. But that step is exactly the same. So we go slow, quick, slow, but same step. Quick and slow, quick and slow, quick and slow. So we already learned 2 dances knowing 1 element of dance. Now, if we're knowing rock step, remember our rock step, rock step. So if we can do rock step from the one right leg, we can do rock step what? From the left leg, right? And if we can do rock step forward, we can do rock step backward. So we're rocking back and forward. We can do also rock step to the side, right? We can rock. So if we combine rock step forward and backward with different leg, we get a salsa and mambo, 2 more dance. So we go rock step together, rock step together, rock step together, rock, step, together. And the timing of it, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. So this is already 2 dances doing only this. Samba, mambo and salsa. And now you have a waltz and rumba. 4 dances already. Very good. 4 dances in 5 minutes. Now next one. Remember a triple step. Triple step. Triple step. So just doing triple step alone, this is a polka dance. So basically you change a little bit direction, you move around the floor doing this step, you're dancing polka, and you can a little bit rotate. This is a polka dance. So it's already dance number 5. So 5 dancers just doing triple step. They will try all of this with music. Next one. Now we're gonna combine elements of dance. If we do rock, step, plus 2 triple steps, triple step, and we do 1 more triple step, we have a swing. So this is called the swing. Rock, step, triple step, and swing and jive is the same basic step. So you already 2 more dances. So it's how many? We have waltz, rumba, we have polka, we have salsa, we have mambo, and we have swing, we have jive. 7 dances already. So you're just doing rock, step, triple step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, triple step. Now, dance number 8. If we combine 2 rock steps and 1 triple step, we have cha-cha. So we have a rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple. So here in this case, in cha-cha, we have a rock step backward, rock step, triple step side. Now we have a rock step forward, rock, step, cha-cha-cha. So 2 rock step, 1 triple step. We have a cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha. So 8 dances already, 8 dances. Hello. Now, what else we can do? One of our favorite dance, if we introduce 1 more element of dance, we call tap. So do this, tap, tap, tap. So tap is not really step, we're just tapping with our foot, tap, tap. So if you have triple step and tap, we have bachata. So you go triple step, tap, 1, 2, 3, 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 tap. 9 dances. If we're only doing side step with a little bit hip, it's called merengue. So it's 10 dances. Side together, side together, side together, side merengue, side together, side together, side together, side together. So 10 dances in 5 minutes. Now we'll try all of this with the music. Of course, each dance has its own specifics, but that's already introductory to so many dances, just knowing elements of dance.